Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your email in Roblox. First, you just need to open your Roblox application, then tap on that more button here, and from here you just need to scroll down and you will find the settings here. Now tap on settings and go to the account information. So you just need to wait for a while, and from here you will find the email address, but the most of the letters and numbers are hidden in this email address. So how you can just get it? You can just get it by sending a verification mail. So you will get a mail popped up on your screen if you get that mail on your device, or you have that email account or email address on your this device. So then you can just find out the whole email address from here, and also you can just tap on update email option here, and you can just enter a new email, so it can just send you a verification mail again to your this email address, and you can just go to your inbox, just like Gmail inbox, and you will find that verification code here. You can see this is the verification code, and then you can just tap on it and you will find whole email address here. So that's the only way that you can check your Roblox email, that email that have added on your Roblox account. So Roblox has just hide all that rest of these letters and numbers of that email address just because of security reasons. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.